dropshipping is one of the best earning and easiest methods to make money online. In this video I want to talk about 5 issues that might help your own dropshipping business by trying new approaches. Hello and welcome to the Business Class, your YouTube channel, where you learn all about the topic money. Although money and wealth are not everything, you barely get anywhere without in our modern-day society. Seemingly everyone nowadays wants to be rich, famous and live a life in wealth, but of course not everyone will manage to do so. However, if you are determined, focused and working hard, you will be able to achieve your goals. So do no longer waste your potential, do no longer wait for your luck to happen from alone. Improve yourself every single day and you will soon start to see the fruits of your success. With my videos, I want to provide you with motivation, knowledge and inspiration, so that you can reach your goals as fast as possible and make the best out of your life. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button, to not miss a single video. Also write a comment with your suggestions and wishes, which content you would like to see more often. And now let's start. How 5 things will change the way you approach drop shipping. Since the trend for online shopping has increased significantly, entrepreneurs are now shifting towards the e-commerce trend to launch low investment and high profit businesses, and drop shipping plays a key role in e-commerce. What is drop shipping? Drop shipping is known to be a supply chain management technique, where the seller does not keep any stock of goods. He instead shifts the orders of the customers and the shipment details to the wholesaler or manufacturer. These wholesalers and manufacturers then directly ship the goods to the respective customers. When using this technique, the retailer does not have to keep an inventory, which makes it an attractive choice for online traders. When an order is placed for an online drop-shipped product, the order and payment are received by the retailer, who then contacts the manufacturer or wholesaler and issues a purchase order for the good whilst giving the instructions on how to deliver it directly to the customer. The product is then shipped by the manufacturer or wholesaler while the retailer earns his profit. The 3 different types of drop shipping. 1. Drop shipping that caters to heavy items. If you deal in bulky and heavy items, this type of drop shipping will be a suitable idea for your business. Since dealing with bulky and heavy items is not an easy task, it is always best to opt for drop shipping so you won't have to handle any heavy goods. This type of drop shipping option is used most by entrepreneurs. 2. Drop shipping as an alternative to extra supply. Oftentimes retailers that own inventories do not have enough storage to store an item, so they opt for drop shipping as well to ensure an extra supply of the product. Integrating the drop shipping method allows them to supply the goods they are unable to store. 3. Drop shipping for online businesses. Individuals looking to start their own online business will find this type of drop shipping to be quite a useful option. The drop shipping by request technique gives them a chance to study the consumer behaviors and understand what types of products are liked more by the consumers. Here are the top 5 ways that will definitely change the way you approach this business model. 1. Low investment and less risks. One of the biggest advantages of drop shipping is that you won't have to invest thousands of dollars or spend a fortune to launch a store, as you won't have to stock any inventory. Retailers that have a physical location for their store need a huge amount of money to create and maintain the store and have to invest in building an inventory, which is a huge investment. With the drop shipping method, you will not have to purchase the goods until a consumer has placed an order. This indicates that the startup costs will be quite low and the risks will be much lower. Moreover, the drop shipping technique does not require any upfront investment to begin with, which is a huge plus for individuals that do not have much funds to start a business. Retailers often take loans to stock up their inventory, and if their goods do not sell well, they might end up finding themselves in huge trouble. 2. Saves time and money. When you don't own a physical store, it becomes quite easy to launch your own business. There is no need to look for a warehouse and get funds to manage it. Moreover, you won't need to pack the goods and ship them. Also, you won't have to monitor the stock levels and maintain them. There will be no need to track the inventory or manage product returns. All these things will enable you to save a lot of time and money in the long run. The retailer can then invest his time in actually selling the goods, which will benefit the company. 3. Flexible options for store location. The options for choosing the location of the store are quite flexible when it comes to drop shipping. Your store can be located anywhere, even at your own home. What you need to have is a good internet connection and strong relationships with your suppliers, and you are good to go. You just need to demonstrate your communication skills when dealing with consumers. A little hint for you: if the content of the video is important to you and you want to benefit from it in the future, you can easily save the video to your playlist or click on Watch Later, so that you can watch it again at any time you want. Or, if you don't watch this video as a logged-in member, just save the video as a bookmark in your browser, to always have easy access to it. Drop shipping offers a lot of convenient options for its users. 4. Diverse options. When you work as a retailer who owns an inventory, you have to buy large quantities of a small number of items, hence you cannot add more diverse options. Drop shipping, however, allows you to add a wide variety of diverse options and different items, as there are no stocking issues. All you need to do is to list them on your site and you are good to go. Plus you will not encounter any extra costs, which is a huge plus. This also gives you a chance to experiment with new product and see if it becomes a hit or a miss. With Spark Shipping you can easily test the waters. When working as a retailer who stocks goods, this could prove to be a huge risk. If the product does not sell well, the retailer will have to bear the losses. Plus, if it is a food item, its shelf life will also be quite limited. This could lead to incredible losses for the owners. Hence, drop shipping allows you to test new products and introduce them to the market. Once you understand that a product is doing well, you can use this opportunity to increase your sales. 5. Scalability. Drop shipping reduces your workload, as most of it falls on the suppliers. You will have to put in your effort to make a sale, but when your business expands and grows, your workload will remain unaffected. This means you won't have to worry about increasing your working hours once your business expands. Drop shipping is an excellent option for individuals that have limited funds to start and run their business, as the majority of the workload and burden falls on the manufacturers and wholesalers. Moreover, it allows you to save heaps of time and money in the long run, as you won't have to worry about stocking and distributing the items. By launching into drop shipping, you can forget all the problems related to the management of the stock produced and the transport of goods. Everything will be taken care of by your wholesaler partner. You'll save time and money that you can invest in promoting your products and improving your customer service. And if one day, you want to build up your own business, or you have one already and want it to grow much bigger and faster, always have in mind that starting a successful business and earning money takes time. You need perseverance and a lot of stamina. It's like you growing a small plant right from the seed. You never know how fast it will grow, how tall it will get, and how many fruits you will be able to collect. It is the same with every business. Some work great, some flop, and some could become very successful. But people way too often resign much too early. So follow my advices. Try out different methods, and sooner or later, you will find the one that suits you the most, that fits best to your skills and knowledge, and you will have a well-earning business. No matter if you want to make money online, by affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or even stocks, everything is possible. And even though growing a business and making money can sometimes be a lengthy and tedious issue, it's all worth it at the end. Just stay focused to your goals, work smart and hard, spend your time and resources effectively, be persistent, and sooner or later, you will have success. You will reach your goals and earn enough money to live the life you ever dreamed of. I hope this video was helpful for you and I was able to impart knowledge to you, give you new ideas, or simply inspire and motivate you to change your life in a positive way. If so, please leave a like and write me your opinion and content requests in the comments. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury, and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to not miss a single video. Thank you very much for your interest and especially for your time. And hopefully, we see us in the next business meeting.